Hello everyone, good morning to all and welcome back. I hope you have enjoyed during your vacation. So, before vacation, we were doing chapter number 5. We have already covered exercise 5.1 to exercise 5.3. Today, we will start exercise 5.4. So, in exercise 5.4, first question is find the product. So, you all know what is product? Product is answer of multiplication. So, here means we have to multiply the numbers. This question you will do in notebook, okay? So, I am writing the question first on board. First is 1, 5, 7, 8, 2, 6. Multiply with 78. So you all must have observed that I have leave space between the digits. Same you will also do. You will not write like this 1, 5, 7, 8, 2, 6. No, because it will create a mess when you will multiply these two. So don't write like this. You must leave this much gap between the digits. Clear? So start multiplication. You all know whenever we have to multiply, we have to start with right hand side. Very good. So we will start with right hand side. So first we will take digit 8. First I will multiply 8 with 6, then I will multiply 8 with 2, then I will multiply 8 with 8, then I will multiply 8 with 7, then 8 with 5 and then 8 with 1. Clear everyone? So let's multiply 8, 7, 8, 6 are 8, 6 are 48. So here you will write 4, that is carry, and 8 you will write here. Now you will multiply 8 with 2. It will be 16. Already we have carry 4. So here it will be 20. So 0, carry 2. Now you will multiply 8 with 8, that is 64, plus 2, 66. So 6, carry 6. Now you will multiply 8 with 7, that is 56, and 6 will be 62. Next you will multiply 8 with 5, that is 40, plus 6. So 46, carry 4. Now you will multiply 8 with 1, that is 8, and carry 4, it will be 12. Clear till here? Now these carry numbers, put them in a circle. These all were carry, just put a circle on it. Now here, before multiplying 7 with 6, 2, 8, 7, 5 and 1, here put a cross sign. Here also you can write 0. But instead of writing 0, I prefer putting a cross. Clear? Now you will multiply 7 with 6. So 7 6 are 42. So 2 here and 4 carry. Again, now you will multiply 7 with 2. It will be 14. 14 and 4 will be 18. So 8 carry 1. Now you will multiply 7 with 8. That is 56 plus 1 57. 7 and here you will write 5. Now you will multiply 7 with 7, that is 49, and 5 will be 54. Now you will multiply 7 with 5, that is 35, plus 5, that will be 40. So 0, 4, 7 with 1, that will be 7, plus 4, it will be 11. Now you will put a line. Till here, clear? Now what you will do is you will add these two. So 8 and cross, that is 8 only. Here it will be 2. Here it will be 4, that is 14. So 4 carry 1. So here only you will write carry. Now here it will be 10, 0 carry 1. Here it will be 11, carry 1. So 3, 2, 1. This is your answer? No, this is not your answer. Here you have to use commas. It's your wish. You want to put commas according to Indian or international. I am using here commas according to Indian system. According to Indian, first I will leave 3 digits, then 2 digits, and then again 2 digits. Now this is your answer, or you can say this is your product. Clear, everyone? So this is how you will multiply. Next, see, A question, all parts are same. Now B question, find the product. Again, here also we have to find the product. So here 2 digits are all there. So we'll do one question with the 3 digits. So we are doing the fifth one. 2, 7, 3, 1, 7, 3. You have to multiply this with 178. So what you will do, again, you will start multiplying with from the right hand side. You will multiply 8 with 3. It will be 24. So here 4, carry 2. Now you will multiply 7 with 8, or you can say 8 with 7. Okay. So 8 multiplied 7 will be 56 and 2, 58. So 5 here. Now you will multiply 8 with 1, that is 8 plus 5, 13. 3, carry 1. 8 with 3, that is 24 plus 1, 25. 2. Now 8 with 7, again 56 plus 2, 58. Here 5. 8 with 2 will be 16 and 5, 21. Now what you will do? You will circle all these, carry 1. Clear? Now what you will do? You will put a cross here. Now you will multiply 7 with 3, 7 with 7, 7 with 1 and all that. So I am writing here, it will be 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 9, 1. Till here I have already explained you in the previous question. Now here we have 3 digits here. So now you will put, before multiplying the third digit with all these, with the multiplicand, you can say, I will put a 2 cross. So here I have done. Now you will multiply 1 with 3, 1 with 7, 1 with 1, 1 with 3, 1 with 7, 1 with 2. So I am multiplying here, I am writing 1, 3, 7, 2. After multiplying, you will put a line and then you will add all these digits. So for here it will be 4, 9, 7, 14. So 4 carry 1, 12, 2 carry 1. Here it will be 6, 18, 8 carry 1. So here it will be 4. Again, now you will put commas according to Indian I am putting. So after 3, 2, 2. And this is my answer. Clear? One more part I am explaining you of this question only. Four, 5. This is 6 part of question number B. 1, 3, 8, 9. You have to multiply it with 473. So first of all, what you will do? Yes, you will multiply 3 with 9. It will be 27. So 7 carry 2. Now you will multiply 3 with 8, that is 24 plus 2, 26. I hope you all know tables, right? And if you don't know tables, learn it, or you can ask a trick from me. I'll tell you how to learn tables. Now you will multiply 3 with 3, that will be 9. 9 plus 2 will be 11. So 1, carry 1. Now 3 with 1 again, and carry we have already. So now same way you will do multiplication. So 3, 1. And carry here we have. Now you will circle all the carry digits. Now you will put a cross here. Then you will multiply 7 with 9. it will be 63. So 3 here 6. Now you will multiply 7 with 8, that is 56 plus 6, 62, 2 carries 6. In the same way you will multiply all. So here it will be 7, 9, 5, 1, 3. And in carry we have 6, 6, here 2, and here we have 3. See how you will differentiate these carry one. So first number, when you are doing carry, when you are multiplying with the 3, so you are doing it circle, and on the second number when you are carrying, don't do anything. You can easily check whether your answer is correct or not. After finding the product, if you want to check whether your answer is correct or not, what you can do is, you can easily check when you are multiplying with the first number, you are putting a circle. When you are multiplying with the second number, so you are not putting a circle. And when you are when you are multiplying with the third number, again put a circle. So you can easily differentiate which one is carry of which number. Now you will put cross, again cross. Now you will multiply 4 with 9. It will be 36. So 6 carry 3. Now put a circle. Now this means this is the carry of third number. This is first number. This is carry of second number. This is carry of third number. In the same way, you will multiply 5, 5, 0, 8, 1. And carry also you can write 3, 1, 2. Okay. Now add all these. See, you must have observed one more thing. When I am writing the digits, I am writing exactly downside of it. When I have written this number and when I have multiplied this, exactly downside of it I have written 3. Exactly downside of 1 I have written 2. So you have to take care of this thing. You will not write like this, that 1, 3, 5, 4, 1, 6, 7, and here you are writing cross, here 2, anywhere you are writing 3, anywhere you are writing 9. No. Okay, exactly downside of the particular digit you have to write the another digit. Now add all this, it will be 7, 9, 9, 6, 0, 5, 3, 1, 2. And again put a comma. And this is your answer. So your homework is to do exercise 5.4 in homework notebook. Thank you.